Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm bringing you one of my all-time favorites. Perfect for families of any size or the lazy single on a budget like I was when I first started making this one. I'm talking about a cheese oozing 12 serving tray of deliciousness that Garfield would be proud of. That's right, we're talking about lasagna. Let me show you how I make it. Before we get started, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and you want to get a large pot of water boiling so you can cook your noodles. I won't bore you guys with that part. I'll do that, put them in a colander, and we'll bring that back in when we get the assembly part. In a large skillet, you want to heat about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. And once that starts to shimmer, we'll add 1 pound of ground meat to it. All right, our oil's ready, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in ground turkey. Typically, I prefer Italian sausage, has the best flavor and all that stuff. Ground beef, ground turkey certainly work, which is what I'm using today. We're just trying to be a little healthier these days. So, boss's orders. So you want to break this up and you want to get it cooked through until it's browned. So we'll let this go for probably about 5 or 6 minutes. Now that we got our turkey browned, we'll go ahead and start our adding our other ingredients here. This is what I say. If you're using ground beef or Italian sausage, I would pour off some of the excess fat. Turkey doesn't have a lot in it, it's very lean, so there's not much in here. So we're gonna add 2 cans of tomato sauce, and I've got a can of diced Italian style tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add a 6-ounce can of just tomato paste. And we wanna get this thoroughly mixed. Get the tomato paste well incorporated here. All right, so I'm gonna let this go for a couple minutes until it starts to bubble a bit, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. All right, so there you have it. She's spitting at me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest in here. I've got 5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. I've got a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and I've got a half a teaspoon of just plain white sugar, and we'll get that all mixed in. And then we're going to turn our heat down to low, and we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes or so. This looks good. Our pasta's done, so we are officially ready for assembly. Okay, so to assemble this, you want to start out, we've got a 13 by 9 pan, and you want to add a little bit of the sauce. You just want to spread that kind of evenly across the bottom here, just to help so your noodles don't stick. And we'll layer our noodles in here just like this. And then we're going to take a little bit of ricotta cheese. We'll kind of just break that up and spread it across. And we're gonna add, this is the part that may surprise you a little bit, we're gonna add in some cream cheese. So I've got an 8-ounce block that's been softening a little bit at room temperature, and you just want to spread that evenly over this as well. It's part of that oozy cheese. Make this really good. And then we're gonna add our sauce, and you want to spoon that over. And then we're gonna top that with some shredded mozzarella. Okay, so basically what you want to do here is repeat this until you fill up the pan or you run out of noodles, one of the two. And I'll come back and show you what I do at the very end here just to top everything off. I've basically exhausted my noodle supply here, so I got a very large pan here. I could probably do 6 or 7 layers. So I'm going to top the remaining here with mozzarella. Let's use the remaining of what I got here. And then we're going to grate probably about a half a cup of parmesan over the top. Usually when it comes to lasagna, as far as cheese goes, I don't really measure. I don't really think you can have too much cheese. Just want to make sure that this whole thing gets coated and covered. All right, so now let's go ahead and put this in the oven. We're going to bake at 375 for 30 minutes, and we'll come see you when she's done. She is ready to come out. Oh yeah, look at that cheesy goodness there. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes or so before we cut it up. You wanna let it cool just a little bit. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy. I don't know how you guys cut it. The way I've always cut lasagna, I cut it in half, and then I cut each half in half, and then I cut it into thirds, so it gives me 12 servings. I used to make lasagna all the time when I was single and didn't have a lot of money because it wasn't expensive to make, and I got 12 servings out of it, so. Ooh, yeah, look at that, oh yeah. I'm telling you, the cream cheese makes a huge difference in this. So here you go, folks. I'll call this Mark's lasagna. This is the way I've made it for years, a lot of years, so I really enjoy it. So hope you do too. Thank you.